Good morning. So, your assignment for this week is to do the project budgeting for a trip. And in your assignment in Google Classroom, each of you were given a copy of this Google slide. You are not going to create a new Google slide. You are going to fill in the information on this Google slide that I gave you each a copy of. So, on the very first slide, you are going to change your name. So this slide, you can just type in where it says your name and your hour. You can type in here. Okay. On the next page is your project outline. On the next few pages, it gives you the directions as well as the outline, gives you the distance on your trip, and your trip is as long as you'd like it to be. Your cost sheet is here. And then on calculating your vacations. So down here at the bottom of your screen is a text box that gives you information on what to do. So you need to insert text boxes to add your own information. So for example, right here, if you are going on your destination, you're going to go over to insert text box, and then you can draw a text box right here. So I think one of the destinations was Florida. Okay, just put your information in there. For your choice, once again, insert text box. You're going to put your choice that you had, choice A, B, or C. I think you guys had 3 choices on this one. And then you will insert a text box with your information for all of these. You'll do the same thing on the next page. Once you add up the information from here, here, and here, you'll put your subtotal 1 in this box here. On the next page, you'll do the same thing. Insert text box, put in your information, total up your destination resort costs, put your subtotal here, take subtotal from page 1 here and your subtotal 2 here, add them together. That's your total. And then you can submit these to me. Or if you want to do vacation photo album, just click on here, change your information. You can replace image from up here, upload from computer, or search the web. All of these, I searched the web. And then when you're finished, you can submit your assignment, and then I will grade it.